This screencast is to help you write formulas from names. We have learned the rules for taking formulas and writing the names down, and now we're going to go backwards. All right, if you are dealing with an ionic compound, meaning you have a positive and a negative ion, you will see metals and nonmetals. You'll see polyatomic ions. Anything that had a charge, you're going to separate it into the two ions, and you need to find the charge on both parts. And then you're going to do the crisscross method that you learned prior. So for instance, if they gave you iron 3 sulfate, we would break it into two parts. We have the iron 3, which is telling me Fe plus 3, and sulfate, which is SO4 minus 2, and then we crisscross. We take our 3, and that goes over there, and our 2, and that goes over there, and we're left with Fe2 SO4 in parentheses 3. Okay, if we don't have an ionic compound, then we have a molecular formula, and this is two nonmetals, and you will see prefixes. And so the prefixes tell you how many atoms. You place that number behind the symbol, and you do not crisscross the numbers. Keep that in mind. We're not going to crisscross and then look up the charges and use the prefixes and all that together. There are no charges, so that's why we're not crossing anything. So in this case, we have dihydrogen, which tells me 2, monoxide, which tells me it's an understood 1. In dichlorine, I have 2 chlorines, and in heptaoxide, I have 7 O's. Remember, the IDE ending is just telling us that it's a negative part. We don't do anything with it.